everyone, it's Ahsan here. In my last video I said I am going to turn my bedroom in my next YouTube studio. In my maximum videos I used to speak on the screen. So I thought a good chair is a must for my YouTube studio. So today I am going to assemble the best value for money gaming chair available in Malaysia. And the chair is not expensive. It will cost you only 400 ringgit. So without further ado, let's get started. Before start doing the assemble, I should remind you this is not an in-depth review, but if you want me to review the chair, let me know in the comment below. First thing first, let's unwrap our packaging. The packaging is almost okay. Yes, I think the seller should add some extra precautions to avoid scratches, but for now it's okay for me. I am taking out all the components provided with the packaging. Have successfully taken out all the components. I am going through the instructions provided with the packaging. The instruction is quite straightforward. You can simply assemble all the things reading the instructions given. But here I am teaching you slowly, step by step, how you can attach all the components easily and gradually. I am taking out the gas lift. The chair is provided with 5 casters as the base has 5 legs obviously. Before assembling all the parts, first you need to assemble the casters or the wheels to the base. Our base is ready. Make sure it is balanced. Then I am going to adjust the gas lift. Now I am going to adjust the mechanism with the seat cushion. This is completely wrong, never do this. While assembling the mechanism with the seat cushion, make sure you see the front on the mechanism and also the front written on the seat cushion. Make sure to match both front words together, otherwise you will have to suffer as like me. mechanism is successfully set with the seat cushion. Now we are moving towards to set our handrest. The TTRacing says these are armrest bars. Actually, these are same. For now, we are calling it armrest bars. One thing I forgot to mention, the screws given with the packaging is quite straightforward. They have written all the screws name with different titles so that we can see, simply or easily attach to our specific components. So for now I am attaching the H screw. You can find it in the screw set. H screw using the I, that means the Allen key. My armrest bar is ready to go. Now I am going to attach the seat cushion with the base. Okay, one thing I should admire, if you follow the instruction provided with the packaging, they will ask you to adjust the backrest now after adjusting the armrest bar before putting all the components with our base. Yes, we can adjust the backrest before putting our components to the base, but from my perspective I think it's easier to put the backrest after attaching the seat cushion with the base. Now I am going to adjust the backrest on my seat cushion and with my other components. Again, for adjusting the backrest with the seat cushion or the base you have created, you need to use the H screw with the I, that means the Allen key. After installing all the components, I am going to cover the screws with the cap provided with the screw box set. The caps are written as K, so I am going to use the caps or the case to cover all the screws. So finally it is done assembling the long-awaited gaming chair in budget. My chair is done. Actually, I have assembled the chair before thinking turning my bedroom in my YouTube studio. Maybe you have already noticed in my last 1 or 2 videos. But stay tuned cause I am going to make a lot of changes in my YouTube studio. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button as usual. See you next Monday.